Digital products for beginners tutorial. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you what is digital products, from which platform you guys can use and you guys can create digital products, and where you guys can sell these digital products. So first, what is digital products? So basically, digital products is something like you can sell online that doesn't exist physically. Like it can be PDF file, it can be any type of content like educational type, it can be course, it can be tutorial videos, like it can be online thing that you guys will sell to people. So for once you create your digital product, for example, you think you have some skill and you want to sell that skill as a digital product. For that, you will simply create tutorials. For tutorials, you guys will simply record videos. After that, you guys can edit in CapCut, etc. And once you do that, after that, you guys will go to Payhip. So Payhip is a basically platform where you guys can create account. It was very easy to create account on Payhip, and you guys can sell your digital products to online people. Also, in Payhip, you need to add PayPal or Stripe. If you don't have PayPal or Stripe, you guys can use Gumroad.com. So basically, that works same like Payhip. You guys can sell here digital products, but here you guys can add your local bank account. So that's how you guys can use digital products. And thanks for watching.